Let's start the second file. Here only we are going to save our data inside the database. So first things we want to create our code. So open this one. You want to choose the language is a PHP. I choose a PHP and PHP code want to be enabled by using this. So first we want to create our connection variable. For the purpose I am going to create a server. First server equal to localhost only we are going to use. So localhost. Second variable user. Our username is root and the pass we are not using the pass and the password is a so now password is blank. We need to establish a connection. So that purpose we are going to establish a connection strings. So dollar connection equal to what is the command? What is the command for connection? This one we are going to use the same mysql I underscore connection. So same command we are going to use in a sqli underscore connection. First string is our server comma second string username. So we already collect the username, so we assign the username, so automatically we are using the variable user comma dollar password. And the fourth command we want to enable, that is a db, otherwise base. So what is the meaning of this? This is our database. We want to create our database. The dbase is a employee. So that's mean I need to create a database. So how I can create a database? I minimize all these things and I go to the MySQL admin. I click the MySQL admin directly. Wait small time. Your MySQL admin is loading in your browser. It's a completely GUI interface. Previously we are using a command based one. Now we are going for the graphical user interface based our database administrations. Here this is our MySQL complete panel. In this particular panel left hand side there is one option new. If you click, you have option for creating a database. Our database name is a employee. Here this one is mnemonics. You don't need to select any alternative the mnemonics. If you want you may choose, but by default generic CI mnemonics I am using. I click, my database is created. Here my database name is a employee, small letter EMPLYEE. This one I want to add in my coding. See here I want to replace employee. I save this file inside the demo employee folder and the file name is emp_add.php. So that means this target file is a emp_add.php. Okay, save, and this also want to be saved. Now the connection is established. I want to check the connection is working fine or not. So negation of dollar connect. In this one we are going to check what's command we want to write. This one we want to write here, if connection established or not. So we need to use this command. The same things it's repeated here. So this one no need. Next things what we want to do. What data we send here. Okay, according to this data we want to create a table first. Okay, so here the name is essential. This data here we are sending employee ID, first name, yes name, department. Okay, so hereby we create other variables. It is a dollar so we check up to this. We want to create a SQL query. In the SQL query, SQL we want to create this dollar $SQL equal to write our query, create table employee emp id int 3 primary key comma emp name varchar 25 emp first name. So here I short it as a f name comma here yes name comma depart varchar 30. Okay, so only 4 data we have according to our data. One id, first name, this one. So first we need to create a table. So this is our query for creating a table. I complete my query. And we want to check that table is working or not. So that's the reason we need to call this entire code. I paste it here for shorthand. What is our query table? If connection SQL, we are enabling the connection and comma MySQL employee table is created, otherwise it will be show the error. Okay, save the file, go to the same location, repeat the things.